All right, I'm going to show you how to turn these recyclables into Christmas decor. All right, so take some of that silvery packaging and the cardboard, a Sharpie marker, and something to trace around, circular, maybe a cookie cutter or whatnot. I used circles and opened up the boxes and used a variety of circle sizes using a Sharpie marker, simple tracing. I like to do a couple of different sizes and materials because then that adds variety. You could use either side. We chose to use the plain side, and then using glittery markers or permanent markers, decorating using whatever kind of imagery you like. You could stick with more Christmassy or wintry themes or completely go a different direction with a flower. I really didn't have many rules for the kids as they were doing this, just sort of whatever came to mind. That way when they all got together, if we used the same materials, it all went together, and it was something we created together using materials we already had rather than going out and buying more stuff. We had a nice time, just a little Saturday afternoon creating. You'll see there's Stitch and various characters along with just some simple snowflakes. No rules here, but using all of them together and some simple ribbon from the dollar store, and some tape and scissors. Simply taping on the back and taking a ribbon, making a garland, and all of it together looks really nice. So there you have it, using the recyclable materials, making some great holiday decor. Hi everyone, my husband started this channel a couple years back, and I invite you to subscribe and like and see more of what we do in and around our house. Go ahead and share and join us next time.